Hello friend, myself Suvarna Jadhav from Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Bhausaheb Nagar. My subject is Organic Chemistry. Today I will explain multiple choice questions. First question is, which of the following molecule has the largest distance between adjacent carbon atoms? There are four different options. Option first, A. Ethane, B. Ethylene, C. Ethine, D. Benzene. The correct option is ethane, because in ethane there is large distance of adjacent carbon atom. Second question, the unit of dipole moment is A. debye, B. Einstein, C. Faraday, D. Curie. The A option is correct. debye is the correct unit of dipole moment. Third question, hybridization involves A. Excitation of electron, B. Mixing of atomic orbital, C. Separation of atomic orbitals, D. Mixing of electron pairs. The correct option is B. Mixing of atomic orbital, because the hybridization which involves the mixing of atomic orbital. Fourth question, which of the following is not an aromatic heterocyclic molecule? Option A. Pyrrole, B. Furan, C. Piperidine, D. Pyridine. The correct option is D. Pyridine, because pyridine, which contains 6-membered ring containing nitrogen atom, one double bond, consists of 2 pi electron, and in pyridine there is a presence of 3 double bond and 6 pi electron. Then which contains the nitrogen, and nitrogen contains the lone pair, and this lone pair which consists of 2 pi bond. Then there is a 8 pi bond present in pyridine. Due to this reason, pyridine is not aromatic heterocyclic molecule. Fifth question, the reaction which are favored by light are called A. Exothermic reaction, B. Endothermic reaction, C. Photochemical reaction, D. Thermochemical reaction. The correct option is C. Photochemical reaction. This photochemical reaction is occur in only the presence of light. 6. The anti-Markovnikov addition of HBr is not observed in option A. Propylene, B. Acetylene, C. 2-pentene, D. 2-butene. The correct option is propylene, because anti-Markovnikov's rule. In an addition reaction, in an addition reaction, In an addition reaction, the negative part of the reagent which attach to the more substituted carbon atom and positive part of the reagent attached to the less substituted carbon atom. Propylene, which is a asymmetrical compound due to HBr Markovnikov's addition reaction, is not observed. Question 7. The molecule is rotate clockwise direction is called A. R configuration, B. S configuration, C. E configuration, D. None of these. The correct option is R configuration, because in R configuration the molecule which is rotate in a clockwise direction is called as R configuration, and the molecule is rotate in anti-clockwise direction is called as a S configuration. Due to the correct option is A, R configuration. Question 8. The number of carbon carbon double bond is present in option A alkane, B alkene, C alkyne, D none of these. The correct option is a B alkene, because in alkene there is a presence of carbon carbon double bond. It is an unsaturated compound. Question 9. Two same group are present in a same side of double bond is called as option A cis configuration, B trans configuration, C R configuration, D S configuration. The correct option is A cis configuration. In cis configuration, in carbon carbon double bond there is present of two same group in same side of carbon atom is called as a cis configuration. Then question number 10. Four different groups are present in carbon atom. This carbon atom is known as option A chiral carbon, B achiral carbon, C non-chiral carbon, D none of these. The correct option is A chiral carbon. The statement of chiral carbon, the carbon in which four different groups are present, and this compound or this carbon atom is called as chiral carbon. Thank you.